Hey guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch. Well, right now I'm in the car sitting at the beach. When I'm here at the beach, I watch the sunrise in the mornings. So that's what I'm doing today. Listen, I wanted to do a little quick video here and let you know that I appreciate the calls, how I've been doing and all that. And I wanted to let you guys know I'm doing good, doing pretty good today. I've got a great medical team, and they have a plan. Things are doing well. I will tell you, having back pain all the time, I don't care if you take meds or what, it still kind of gets you down after a while. But, we'll get through it. And I want to let you guys know, the guys that are calling, you're doing great. You're making me feel good. Also, you guys that are calling with problems, this is what I want you to do right now. Keep me engaged when you're working with your problems. Oh man, I don't know if I should call Jim. No, please, give me a call. Let's do some things. I've had several guys call, and there's getting ready to be a part coming up here real soon that you guys are going to be really, really excited about. So stick with me, okay? But give me a call with the problems, and one guy broke down in the middle of the night, called me. It's great. I enjoy that. I enjoy helping you guys. I enjoy talking about issues, and I'm getting closer to get some videos back up. Just bear with me on it a little bit. The living area video is I could do 5 different episodes with that. Thank you for all the calls and the questions on that. It is a big deal. Think about it this way. There are a lot of new technologies and advancements, and we want to put all that stuff in our coach and everything. Well, sometimes discretion is the better part of valor. Do we need all that stuff? See, the first question is, do you need 1,000 amp hours, blah, 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 all this stuff that you can get, but do you need it? We're going to be talking a little bit about that too in one of these episodes, so it's going to be a good one. But in the meantime, just give me a call. You got a problem, got things you're working on, something you want to do, or whatever. Man, I'm just sitting around, taking meds, going to evaluations and stuff like that. So believe me, you're helping me out by giving me a call. Ranch hands, thank you very much. Will, all the rest of you guys, thank you. All right, guys. Well, look, I'll let you get going here. I'm at the beach. I'm hoping to get back Monday, and maybe I'll get that video going. All right. Well, look, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later.